Hey guys, this is Warren with KLGadgetTV, and what I have on my hands right now is the all-new Galaxy A50s, the successor to the wildly popular A50 that was released early this year, and it comes with some upgrades, and of course it's a little bit pricier this time at 12.99 ringgit, 100 ringgit extra, but it has a couple of upgrades that would make you really excited. So now let's talk about design. So first of all, it has this new holographic effect on the back. Still the same plastic material that we have all seen on the A50, and it still has triple cameras, although the main camera has been upgraded to a 48 megapixel f2.0 lens. It has an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So the front camera has also been upgraded as well to a 32 megapixel lens. So basically the cameras on the A70 are now on the A50s, which is pretty great. Now this is a Infinity O display, measures at 6.4 inches, Full HD Plus, pretty nice display, colorful AMOLED screen as you would expect from a Samsung phone. Now, what Samsung is hyping about this phone is that the video mode on the Galaxy A50 now supports the new Super Steady video mode that is featured on the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So as you can see, as I'm moving around the phone, the video footage is very steady, as you would expect. It's pretty cool, and I believe people who love to shoot videos and don't have so much budget to buy a phone to shoot videos will definitely love it. Another feature that Samsung is building into this phone is Samsung Pay. Finally, the A50 has Samsung Pay built in right out of the box so that you can perform mobile payments anywhere you go. So of course, the operating system is not Android 10 yet, but it will be upgraded later in the year, and this is running on Android 9 out of the box with One UI. It still has pretty much the same great hardware features you would expect out of a Galaxy A series phone. So this is the A50s. It costs 12.99 ringgit. It's going to be available on 21st September afterwards at all Samsung partners, telcos, and otherwise. And we're going to take a look at the A30s shortly. And this is the A30s. So if you put this phone side by side with the A50s, you might not notice too big of a difference except for the top. So there is a V notch. This is an Infinity V display. So of course, since this is a lower end phone, certain things are compromised, such as the resolution of the camera. So on the back here, you do not get a 48 megapixel, but you do get a 25 megapixel main camera, still coupled with an 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And on the front here, the selfie camera has been upgraded as well to a 16 megapixel sensor. So it still has a rather huge battery inside with a 4000 mAh, supports 15 watts of fast charging. So that's still a pretty great feature. And one thing, Samsung says that this is the cheapest A series phone that supports Samsung Pay. So at 8.99 ringgit, the Galaxy A30s is the cheapest mid-range phone that will support mobile payments right out of the box, which is a really great upgrade over the previous A30, and I can't wait to test this out. So yes, in terms of the camera as well, this is definitely lacking the Super Steady mode. I switch over to the video, you do not see that option on the top. Yeah, but then still, this is a pretty great selfie camera, 60 megapixels, so you can still take some pretty high resolution selfies. And at the back here, you still get to see the same hologram effect like the A50s, though not as much prism like the A50s, but still looking great over here. So you still get a USB-C charging port and a headphone jack. So yeah. So that's pretty much on the Galaxy A30 and A30s and A50s. These two phones will go on sale on the 21st of September. The A30s will go for the price of 8.99 ringgit, and the A50s will retail at 12.99 ringgit. Samsung is also giving early bird promotions when you buy these two phones. For example, if you buy the A50s, you get 2 years of warranty and a year of screen crack protection warranty, whereby if you buy the A30s, you get a 1 year screen crack protection warranty and a Starbucks go-to set, which is a donut and a coffee. Alright, so that's pretty much of a hands-on on the Galaxy A30s and A50s, these two really great mid-range phones and the successor to the original A50 and A50s. Stay tuned for more over at KLGadgetTV, whereby we will be bringing you the full review of these two phones coming right up. And remember to follow us on the usual social media channels, subscribe to us, and I will see you in the very next video.